chicken and gnocchi. So what happened already is I browned some chicken. Boneless, skinless, only a pound of each. I got a couple of boneless, skinless thighs, a couple of boneless, skinless breasts. Slice them on the bias, cut it on an angle, brown them with a little salt and pepper, or white pepper, either one's fine. And then in the same pan, in the drippings, I'm just browning up, 12 ounces to a pound. I just grab a few handfuls of cremini mushrooms. So these are baby portobellos, basically. So they're very meaty tasting. And once they get to this stage, when they start to brown and smell, well, quite frankly, just like meat, then we can add our shallots and garlic to the pan and our fresh thyme and salt and pepper. When the shallots and garlic cook out just a bit, we're going to lift up the drippings of the chicken cooking out, about a half to 3/4 of a cup of Marsala, good quality fortified wine. That's what Marsala is. And we're just gonna really work that. Color is flavor in food. So we want to pick up all the color, all the fond, all the flavor from the bottom of that pan. I steeped, a good fat handful of porcini mushrooms too, in vegetable or chicken stock. I actually used a blend of the two. And I'm adding that. It's about 1.5 cups of stock is what I started with. So it's about 1 cup once it goes into the pan, because we plumped all of those beautiful porcinis. So we have dried mushrooms that are different in flavor and very earthy. And then we have the cremini that's very meaty. And now we're going to slide back in our chicken, okay? And we're going to stir in about 1/2 cup of heavy cream. And then we're going to wilt in about 3/4 of a pound of spinach. So 3 good handfuls. So we're going to put all that together. And I've got a small pot of water boiling for the gnocchi. And gnocchi is very easy to make, and I love making it. But when you don't have the time, it's fine to buy gnocchi at the store. Of course. We all have time crunches, right? But remember, salted water, bring it to a boil, put the gnocchi in, and as soon as it floats, it's done. Transfer it from one pan to the other. Now we're taking a spider, which should really be called a spider web, so it's a little handheld strainer, basically, and we're transferring 1 pound of gnocchi into the pan, and we let this crank for a bit and just kind of get nice together. The last finish is a squirt of 1/2 a small lemon, a lot of cheese. Parmigiano Reggiano is what I'm stirring in, about 1 cup, so 2 ounces grated, and a little nutmeg. Freshly grated nutmeg, about 1/8 of a teaspoon once it's grated. Okay. And now we gently combine all of that. Here we go, guys. Oh, look at this. Look how beautiful. All right from the skillet and bubbling when it comes to the table. Look how gorgeous that is.